Congressman Ronlo Goles, our Honorable Secretary of Education, Brother Armin Luistro, our Director of NCR, Ma'am Luz Almeda, our Congressman for the 2nd District, Congressman Edwin Olivares, our Honorable Mayor of Parañaque, Florencio Bernabe, our Cabinet Secretary for DPWS, Rogelio Singson, our Councilor Benjo Bernabe, and also Councilor Rico Goles, our very helpful Barangay Captain June Berata, our Councilor Baby Bustamante, and also Councilor Ben Angrao, and also our distinguished guests, principals, local unit government officials, parents, teachers, and our stakeholders. Good afternoon to all of you. We are gathered here today to be a part of a very remarkable yet memorable event considered to be the first in the history of the division of Parañaque. May I interrupt because I forgot my immediate boss. First, my immediate boss, Ma'am Ride, Sir, Joel Nasa Carpo, and also Ma'am Brenda Riddle, and also the supervisor of the division of Parañaque. Sorry po, kasi wala po kayo sa harapan. Talagang pangalan lang po sila, talagang pagkarawan lang po sila. As I've said, this is very remarkable and yet memorable event, considered to be the first in the history of the division of Parañaque. In fact, it's a very significant for all of us for two distinct reasons. Firstly, to witness the inauguration of an imposing 4-story, 16 classroom, 14 non-academic classroom, and 14 toilet room with 60 toilet seaters. Now, this building will house our pupils composed of 3,941 from kinder up to grade 6, and also including the house. We have also 83 teachers. Now, this building was built in record time, for almost 6 months after our distinguished and honorable congressman asked the budget from our own President of the Philippines, Benigno Aquino, with a total amount of 128 million, exactly 11 days after the 3-hour school, last December 10, 2011. Now, secondly, we will allow the presence of the highest official of the Department of Education in the person of Secretary Brother Armin Luistro, who is a person of integrity, who helped one of the survivors, one of the heroes of this school. Now, in leading our inauguration, likewise, our also with the presence of our Secretary of DPWS, Rogelio Singson. Likewise, we also commend our government officials, educators, parents, members of the community, and other stakeholders for raising this affair, and sharing with us their precious moment, despite their tight schedules, to ensure the resounding success of this worldwide undertaking. In this regard, we have Decade Parañaque, together with our supportive partners, are was unveiled. We deeply appreciate your gesture, and the entire school is greatly gratified our concern, our appreciation for such concern you have shown. In closing, let me share this word of wisdom by St. Silar, and he pointed out, our children are our only hope for the future, but we are their only hope for their present and their future. So on behalf of 83 teachers, 3,949 pupils, and 11 non-teaching personnel of the school, it is with great pride and honor to welcome you all to the inauguration of F. Serrano Elementary School. Once again, I would like to reiterate my heartfelt thanks to each and everyone present today for being a part of this momentous event. We do hope that you have an enjoyable stay with us. Thank you very much, and a meaningful inauguration ahead of us.